I, Vijay Victor, welcome my grade class 9 students in physics class, and to those students or your friends whose parents have not allowed to attend the class in e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Earlier we have discussed about work. Scientifically, work is said to be done only in one condition, that applied force change the place or position of a body. So the two factors must be mentioned, two factors must be present when work is done, that an applied force, and by applying force the body must change its place or position. We have also discussed about the formula of work. Work is equal to force into displacement. And also we have discussed about the SI unit of work, that is joule. And 1 joule of work is done when an applied force of 1 Newton displaces a body by 1 meter. So on the basis of this thing, we are going to do the calculation of work in 3 different conditions. Okay. What are the 3 different conditions? Condition 1. That when a body moves in a straight path, and a rectilinear path, body moves in a straight path or rectilinear line. Okay, so we have discussed this one. Suppose here is a body whose mass is equal to m, and a force is applied. Okay, and the body moved in a straight path. Applied force is equal to, suppose, n Newton, and it covers the displacement s. So in this condition, work is equal to F into S. Yeah, W is equal to F into S. This S must be in rectilinear path or in a straight path. In a rectilinear line. In a straight path. In this case, work is equal to F into S. This is the condition number 1. Okay. Now condition 2. Force is applied at an angle. Let angle, that angle is equal to theta. इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं बच्चों? थीटा पढ़ते हैं. The most common example, जब आप बहुत छोटे बच्चे थे तो मेला में से आपको एक खिलौना दिया जाता था. उस खिलौने का आप क्या करते थे? धागा से बांध देते थे, ऐसे थ्रेड से, and you drag the thread. You apply the force on the thread, and what happened to that khilona? That khilona, that toy moves on the floor. Okay. Then here the force is applied on this angle theta. Here this force is applied on this angle theta. But this khilona is moving, this body is moving in horizontal path from A to B. Okay. So this force has 2 components. This is the vertical component of the force, and this is the horizontal component of the force. SCM math वाला SCM मत समझना, ठीक है ना? So till the toy that is moving on the floor, till that condition, the horizontal component of the force dominate on the vertical component of the force. In this case, in this condition, there is a special formula. For class 9, derivation of formula is not needed. आपको ये, चूंकि आप ट्रिगोनोमेट्री आप अभी तक नहीं पढ़े हुए हैं बच्चों, इसलिए इसका डेरिवेशन आपका सिलेबस में नहीं है. डायरेक्टली आई विल यूज दिस राइट द फार्मूला एंड एक्सप्लेन सम बेसिक concept of that one. So when a force is applied at an angle, then the work is equal to Fs cos theta. This cos theta is the angle. Cos theta is the angle. This theta represents the angle on which the force is applied. Okay. From this formula, you are going to learn a very unique thing, a very interesting fact of the force. मैं अभी आपको वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करके मैं अभी बताऊंगा आपको. ठीक है. तो ये दिस cos थीटा इज ए टी रेशियो. cos थीटा क्या होगा हमारा, ये याद रखना है बच्चों. cos थीटा या आप पेन में पढ़िएगा, इसको बोलते हैं टी रेशियो. ठीक है. इसमें आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स नहीं आएगा, बट सम साइंटिफिक रीजन यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन. तो साइंटिफिक रीजन आपको एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा, वो मैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करके बताऊंगा. कोई एक बच्चा आओ तो अपना स्कूल बैग लेकर मेरे पास, एनी वन बॉय कम हियर, कम टू मी बाय टेकिंग योर स्कूल बैग. प्लीज कम. उसको चेन लगा दो. प्लीज कम. नाउ आप जस्ट यू होल्ड योर स्कूल बैग लाइक दिस वे. ऐसे पकड़ो, ऐसे सीधा 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 स्ट्रेट. हाँ. नाउ स्टार्ट कमिंग टू मी. मेरे पास आइए. जस्ट यू ऑब्जर्व, देन आफ्टर दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन. ओके. अगेन यू गो बैक टू दैट योर पोजीशन एंड कीप योर स्कूल बैग ऑन योर हेड लाइक ए कूली. एक कूली की तरह अपने सर पर रखो और मेरे पास आओ. मेरे पास आओ. यू ऑब्जर्व. नाउ प्लीज सिट. क्या नाम है आपका? Altamas. Thank you, Altamas. Now in these two condition, now here, suppose a person now Altamas first condition, carrying his school bag by holding on his hand. Second condition, Altamas was carrying the school bag by keeping the school bag on his head. Okay, like a pulley. In this case, the angle that is equal to here 90 degree. जब हम यहाँ पर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को रखते हैं, सर को रखते हैं, so that angle applied, that is exactly 90 degree. Here also in this case 90 degree. When you are carrying a bag in your hand and straight we are going, that is 90 degree. So mathematically cos 90 degree is equal to 0. ये याद रखना है बच्चों. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So when a person is carrying something on his head or vertically down on his hand, scientifically he or she is not doing any work. Even if the body changes its place and position. In the condition 1, Altamas was carrying a school bag and from this point he has come to this point. The bag has come from that point to this point. It changes place. In the second condition he was carrying that school bag on his head. Now the school bag is changing, but according to the condition number 2, when the force is applied at an angle, that angle is equal to 90 degree. So cos 90 degree is equal to 0. What may be the force? What may be the displacement? Multiply by 0 is equal to 0. Any number multiply by 0 is equal to 0. So आपको एक आएगा क्वेश्चन आएगा कि scientific reason. What amount of work is done by a pulley if it is carrying 40 kg or 80 kg of bags on his head up to 50 meter. आपको क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? Since the force is applied at 90 degree and we know that cos 90 degree is equal to 0, in that case scientifically, you have to mention scientifically, no work is done by that pulley or no work is done by that person. One very interesting fact I am telling you. Now you know that the orbit of our Earth is 0. Okay. Any artificial satellite or even the natural satellite, they are moving around the Earth. ठीक है ना? Or around the sun. We consider that the path of the moving satellite is circular. Suppose here a natural satellite or moon is moving around the earth. एक चीज आप और पढ़ेंगे बच्चों क्लास 10 में, that radius is perpendicular on tangent at point of contact. Means अगर आप किसी सर्कल को रेडियस ड्रॉ करते हैं और रेडियस के एंड पॉइंट से एक लाइन को ड्रॉ करते हैं सर्कल पर, दैट इज नोन एज टैंजेंट, इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं स्पर्श रेखा। तो यहां पर कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनता है जब ये मूव करता है? तो 90 डिग्री का, which means if a body is moving on a circular path, at each point of the circle the angle made by that body is 90 degree, and cos 90 degree is equal to 0, which means if a body move in a circular path, what amount of work is done? 0. So suppose a question has come that what amount of work is done by an artificial satellite or moon moving around sun, moving around earth, what will be your answer?
0.
Why?
Because
the angle made by that body on the circular path is
90.
and we know that and in this condition work is calculated by Fs cos theta, Fs cos theta, and since cos theta is equal to 0, so work done by an artificial satellite, even by moon moving around earth on circular path, is equal to 0. Have you got it? If it is not clear, I suggest you to go through the YouTube and listen my explanation and try to write the answer. Because if you write any answer by your understanding, by the concept that you register here, that is your answer. Why that is your answer? Because you translate your understanding on your paper, on your writing, and that answer is permanent. क्योंकि वो क्या है? वो आपका है। वो आपका क्यों है? क्योंकि आपने उसको अपनी समझ से और अपने नॉलेज से ट्रांसलेट किया है, आप किसी पर बेस्ड नहीं है। और यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं, अक्सर आप देखते हैं कि दे गिव यू द प्रिंटेड नोट्स एंड यू पीपल आर बिकम वेरी हैप्पी, हमारे पास आंसर आ गया। दैट प्रिंटेड नोट्स इज नॉट योर्स माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, because physics is the subject which needs your understanding. आपको understand करना है बच्चों, समझ गए? Now we are coming to condition number 3. Condition number 3. In this condition, any object is raised vertically. Condition 3. A force is applied vertically up. Suppose here is a body on the ground. This body is raised up to height h. इसको h height पे क्या किया गया बच्चों? रेज किया गया। And the here the mass of the body is m. What amount of work is done when a body is raised vertically up to certain height? This is condition number 3. So we know that force is equal to work is equal to force into displacement. In this condition, this displacement is equal to the vertical height.
Yes.
Because the body is not moving horizontally. The body is moving vertically up. Suppose take the example of that amount of water that is raising through a pipe. on your water tank, the water is raising vertically up. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So S is equal to vertical displacement, that is equal to H. F is equal to, what is the formula of force by the second law of motion? Formula of force by second law of motion. Anyone raise your hand?
Mass into acceleration.
Very good. Mass into A stand for acceleration. In this condition, when the body is moving vertically up, then this acceleration stands for acceleration due to gravity. So this A become G. In this condition, when we put the value of 2 and 3 in equation 1, so here force is equal to, in the place of F, what right here? M into G. And in the place of S, what right here?
H.
So when, sorry, this is the formula of work. So this is the condition number 3, when a body is moved vertically up, vertically above. In this condition, what formula we have to use? mgh. So condition 1, when a body move in a rectilinear path, सीधी रेखा में जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? F into S. When force is applied in a horizontal path, here body moves in a straight path, और यानी कि force is applied horizontally, parallel to the ground. Condition number 2, when a force is applied at some angle, what is the formula? Fs cos theta. For this we have gone through an expression in a very two specific interesting condition. When a coolie is carrying heavy luggage on his head, scientifically is not doing any work. Why?
Because cos 90 is
In this condition, cos theta is equal to 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. And why apply 90 degrees? Because when you carry anything on our head, then the angle made by the force and the ground, that is equal to
90.
And in this case, cos 90 degrees is equal to
0.
And one very interesting natural phenomenon, that when any artificial satellite or natural satellite moving on a circular path or orbit around a planet or around the sun, in that condition, work done by that ET, extraterrestrial, or that external body or a satellite, that is equal to 0. And condition number 3, then when a body is moved vertically up, then work done is equal to mg. Understood, my dear students? So please note it down, and on this basis, in the next video, in the next class, we'll go through some numericals. Thank you very much. God bless you.